Sal's garage. So for today we are installing an intake. Step 1, you need to remove this box. The next thing you need to do is pull this out. Oh. How am I supposed to get this out? Okay, got it out. Now I need to unscrew this. I need to pull this out. Now I need to unscrew this one. I need to squeeze this part, this 2 rib part, and pull it out. Okay. Pull it out now. I need to take this out. Why is everything like being pulled? Okay, there you go. This coupler needs to be put in here. So you have to move it around and make sure it fits. So now we're going to be putting the intake charge pipe in here. It's going to go under this. Okay, so after this is in, we're going to be putting this in here. So we're going to be tightening both of these clamps now. I need to put this in here. Yeah. Now we need to tighten the clamp right here. So the last step is to close it. Put the lid back.